This is a review of the Ryobi 18-volt lithium battery that I would definitely recommend. So this battery, lithium battery, I use this for my multi-tools. For any of the Ryobi multi-tools you own, then this is very useful to have, and you do need this to make your Ryobi accessories to work. Now, I also use this for my vacuum as well too. So I have a Ryobi cordless vacuum that I use this to charge it up. It charges up very fast, and it does the job like what it's intended. So, and I'm also going to be showing you guys how easy it is to put this onto your accessory or devices of your Ryobi devices. So like I mentioned, any multi-tools you own from Ryobi, you use this, and like I mentioned, it charges up very fast, and it tells the battery life as well, as well too, and it does everything like what's intended. So, and I do use this for my vacuum, for my Ryobi vacuum, and I'm gonna be showing you guys how easy it is to hook it up and pretty much use your daily accessories from Ryobi. So you can see right here that I have it on my Ryobi cordless vacuum. So pretty much all you have to do is just charge up the lithium battery, and you just snap it on. It's snap on just like that. You hear that click, and that's when you know that you have it on to your multi accessories or your Ryobi vacuum like I do. And pretty much from there, all you have to do is just use your device like pretty much it charges up, and you just press the on button, and there you go. So just like that, that's how you use this battery. It's very simple and easy to use. I love how this battery, it charges up very quick. The lifespan of it is very long as well too. Any multi-device you own from Ryobi, this is probably one of the best accessories to get for your Ryobi device, because you need to use this lithium battery for all of your multi-tools from Ryobi. So I would definitely recommend this lithium battery charger. If you have multi-tools from Ryobi and you need a lithium battery, then this is probably one of the best lithium batteries you could get from Ryobi.